How to compare values between two cells or columns in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can compare string values which are present between two columns or different cells. So as here you can see, I have this sample database right here which contains the information about some months, and then we also have another column that also contains months but in different order and in different case sensitivity. So basically in this tutorial we will be covering two aspects. The first aspect states that even if a string matches and the case is different. So for example, if this column states in a lowercase whereas this column states it in a uppercase, then this will be returned as false. So that means the first case we will be going to cover the case sensitive comparing, and then in the second part we will compare the case insensitive comparing. So let me show you how to do this. So from here, let me quickly create another column that goes by the name compare one, and now let's try to compare them. So the first thing that we will be going to cover is in case sensitivity. So that means even if the cases of these two particular cells are not same, it will not count them as a exact match. So let me show you how you can do this. So simply move to the column and type in the following formula, that is equals to exact, and then give it a starting parenthesis or bracket, and then you need to choose both of these cells. So first choose the first cell, then you will need to add a comma, and then choose the second cell, which is this one, and then close the parenthesis or the bracket and then hit the enter button. And now you can see that it is returning false, because although both of these cells represent the same name, that is January, but here it is in uppercase and here it is in lowercase. Now to fill this up for other entries, you can simply drag and fill this using the slider, and here you can see that it has represented the value. Now let's try to compare it in another way, which will be case insensitive. So let me quickly name it as compare to, and this will be case insensitive. So the case of the text does not matter. As long as they are the same thing, it will return the value as true. So let me show you how you can do that. So the simple formula for this is just put in an equal sign and then choose the first cell, and then again put an equal sign and then choose the second cell. Once you are done with this, hit the enter button, and now you can see that the value it is returning is true. Now simply use the drag and fill option in order to fill out the value for other instances as well. So that's how easily you can compare different cells either in case sensitivity or case insensitivity. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial is well helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to drop a like and also smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.